Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, good day to you all. I just want to introduce you to this platform I discovered just recently. Okay, so I made a purchase. I tried to do the staking, some of the staking yesterday, and then in 24 hours I have been able to earn my profits. Okay, and this staking over there, looking at their white paper, that is why I thought it wisely to bring it to you guys, those who are interested to also stake in this particular platform. Okay, now the name of this platform is called AVAX staking. Okay, AVAX staking, you just take any amount of money that you have, and then in 24 hours time you'll be able to get your profit plus your capital back. You understand? You get your profit plus your capital back, which you can withdraw everything. You can withdraw your capital and then the profit as well, or you can choose to withdraw one of them and leave one to continue the trading. Okay, so I just want to introduce you to this platform. As it stands now, I have earned 3 USDT, so I am going to withdraw this money right now. Then I will take you through how this platform works so that you can be able to start earning something in this staking platform. Okay, so I will come and click on the withdraw over here. As you can see, I have about 13 TRX in my account, which is almost 3 USDT. Okay, so in order to withdraw, you need to get BEP20 USDT address to be able to withdraw this money. You understand? So I'll come and click on the BEP20 over here, right? So if you check there, I have 3 USDT over here, right? So I'm going to withdraw, copy my BEP20 address in my Binance account to come and paste over here to be able to withdraw this money. Okay, and when I come to my Binance over here, I will just come and click on this place, add funds over here, right? I'll click on the add funds here, then I'll just click on what deposit crypto over there. Okay, here is it. So I'll click on it, and then I'll click on what USDT. Okay, or I'll search it here. When it comes, you just choose it. Okay, so here is it, USDT. You just choose it, choose network. The network we are using is BEP20, not TRC20. Okay, so yes, so you choose BEP20 over here, then you just click on the copy icon here, this thing, to copy this address. Then you go back to your account. Okay, when you come back to your accounts, then you come and press this place here, make sure it is on BEP20, right? Then you come and click on this place here to paste the address that you just copied from your Binance. Okay, when you finish, then you enter the amount. I want to withdraw all the 3 USDT in my account. Then I'll enter my security password over here to confirm. I'll click on confirm here to withdraw this money to my Binance account. Okay, so now I have been able to withdraw this money successfully. Okay, so I will show you the proof that I have received the money in my Binance account. Now, first of all, let me take you through these things first before I go there. So when I click on this place here, the 3 icons over here, okay, then I'll click on the staking. Okay, so when I come back to the staking over here, now if you check the interface over here, they said Avalanche staking new era, start your high yield journey. Okay, so you can read through the the homepage notice here to be able to know and understand how this platform works very well. Okay, and this is their official Telegram that you can be able to join as well. Okay, now let's read something over here. So they said Avalanche, powered by sub-second transaction finality and high performance network of up to 4,500 TPS, okay, is leading a new era of blockchain staking. Stake AVAX and earn daily returns of 9% to 35%. So the daily commissions or the daily profit you'll be earning is starting from minimum of 9% to 35%. You understand? Depending on the amount that you are going to invest in your account. Okay, now they said ensuring steady assets grow. So this is the rule for the withdrawal rules. Withdraw once per day, available 24/7 all year round. So you can be able to withdraw once per day. You can't withdraw more than 2 times. You understand? Yes. So, and you can withdraw at any time. They don't have a specific time to withdraw. Anytime, any day, you can be able to withdraw. Okay, now let's look at the staking plans. They said 9 different Avalanche staking options to suit various investment needs. Okay, now let's see something here. If you check here, they have the 24-hour plan. Okay, the investment range is from 9 USDT to 20 USDT. So from 9 USDT to 20 USDT, you get a daily return of 9%. Okay, so guys, the minimum you can invest here is 9 USDT. You understand? But you can invest more than 20 USDT. But for this from 9 to 20 is for only 24 hours. So that After the 24 hours, you'll be able to earn your profit, and you can withdraw your capital plus the profit as well. Okay, so imagine you invested 9 USDT. At the end of the 24 hours, you are going to earn 0.81 USDT. 0.81 USDT. I hope you understand. So I will take you through everything. You understand it very well. Okay, now then they also have this one over here. This one is Avalanche staking international plan. The international plan, they said investments ranges from 20 USDT to 170 USDT. The daily return rate is what? 15%. Okay, so you'll be able to earn from 3 USDT to 25.5 USDT. So any amount that you invest, either $21, 25, 30, 50, 40, just take 15% of that particular capital. The profit that the answer that you'll be able to earn is your profit per day. I hope you understand. Now the investments limit, they said maximum 100 investments per person. Okay, so if you don't understand anything, just give me a comment over there and then I will explain to you better. Okay, now they have the plan 2 also. The plan 2 is also from 170 USDT towards 600 USDT, daily return of 16%. Okay, so you'll be able to earn daily income of 27.2 USDT to 96 USDT. That's why I said if you check in the title I gave to this video, you'll be able to earn from 27 USDT to what? 96 USDT in this staking platform. You understand? Yes. So the higher your capital, the higher your profit. If you check this one also, from 600 USDT to what? 2,600 USDT, you'll be able to earn 18%. That is from 108 USDT to 468 USDT. Okay, very good. So now check through the rest over here. You'll be able to see the amount and then the return rate for yourself. Okay, so after you understand where you want to start from, just go to the recharge button, then go and do your recharge. Okay, so if you come back over here, you see where they've written recharge over here. Now before I go there, let me teach you something here. So if you check here, they have this one, the range over here. Okay, so you see this bar over here, you can shift it to anywhere that you want to shift it. Okay, so you see, so whatever you want to shift it to, if you invest any amount or if you do any deposit, you can use this one to enter the amount over here, or you can be able to enter it manually. Just click on the number, it will come, then you just clean it and enter the amount that you want to enter over here. Okay, and then you can also change the days over here, the number of days. But remember, if you click on the days over here, if your money is less than 20 USDT and you are shifting it, it can't shift. So let's say I want to enter 19 USDT. If you are shifting it, it can't go. You see, it can never go. You can try it yourself and see. If the amount you entered over here is less than 20 USDT and you are shifting the days, it can't go, because if your money is from 9 USDT to 20 USDT, it's only 1 day. You understand? It's only 1 day. Okay, so just to take note of that. It's only 1 day. Okay, very good. Now if I enter 50 USDT over here, let's say 50 USDT, right? Now, and then the days, I change the days. Let's say 30 days. Let me make it like 30 days. In 30 days time, this is where you are going to earn. They have done the calculation for you. You'll be able to earn 7.5 USDT. And then in 30 days time, you'll be able to earn 225 USDT. So after you enter the amount, then you click on what? Staking over here. So now let me go and show you the recharge, and I'll do some for you to see. Okay, click on the recharge over here. Then you choose the network. Okay, you can choose BEP20, TRX, BEP20 USDC, or BNB, or TRC20. So I will advise you to use BEP20, because that one, if you go to Binance, the charges is very, very low. Okay, so if you click on the BEP20, then you click on what? This icon here to copy this address. Then you go back to your Binance to go and recharge. Okay, so let's say I have come back to my Binance account and I want to recharge. Okay, so if you come back to your home page over here, let me click on the asset here. Click on the asset here. Right now, you see that the $12 has changed to $15. Yes, because the withdrawal that I just did in my account has come. The $3 has come. That's why it has become $15. So you see that I have received the withdrawal. Very good. So now, if you click on the asset here to go and do the deposit. So now, if you want to withdraw money from, if you want to do the deposit into your AVAX staking platform, if you come back to the asset, then you click on what? Withdraw over here, right? Then you click on what? withdraw down here again, then you choose USDT, okay, or whatever the money is, you choose it, okay. So I'll click on the USDT here, then I'll choose send via crypto network here, then the address that you copied from your account, you paste it over here like this, okay. Then you click on the network here to choose BEP20, then you enter the amount that you want to withdraw, guys. So let's say you want to deposit 100 USDT, you click on that place there, then you click on withdraw, and then you click on confirm to continue the withdrawal. I hope you understand. Very good. So now after the money has come into your account, then you come and click on this place here. So if you check in my account, I have 20 USDT in my account, right? So I'm going to do another staking for you to see again. So I will enter the amount 20 over here. So now listen, they said the minimum number of days is what, 28 days, okay. So I'll type 28, that's the minimum, okay, or let me make it 30 days, you understand? Yes. So then I'll click on what, staking over here, right? Then they said confirm stake of 20 USD for 30 days. Click on confirm here to confirm. Now my stake is what, successful. Now if you check over here, I don't have any money in my account over here, okay. So it is under staking. So if I scroll up like this, you are going to see my daily income as what, 3 USDT, okay. I hope you understand. Very good. So if you check it down here, this is where you see the order, okay. You see the order. Today's date was 7th April, right? Okay. So every day I'll be getting 15% of my 20 USDT, right? So you can click on this page to see the staking details as well, okay. So now there's no data yet, okay. So let me go back. So if you want to do a deposit, just go and follow the process, and then also you can be able to follow the process to also withdraw every 24 hours, okay. Now let me take you through their white paper. Now somebody may ask, when did this platform get launched, okay. So I'll go and review their white paper for you to see, okay. So if I click on their your home page here, I can click on this place. Please, you can also download the application to be able to use it easily, okay. You can click on the app here to get the app on your phone, okay. Now let me click on the 3 lines here and then click on the white books over here, then you'll be able to see their white paper over here as well, okay. So now checking through this, you see that this platform was there since 2020, okay. So this is their white paper. So since 30th June 2020, you understand. So it has been there for about 5 years or 4 years ago, okay. You can read through their white paper over here to understand very well about this platform, okay. So please, if you have any question, just leave a comment over there. I'll come and answer you, and I'll be making consistent videos about this platform. So if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly subscribe to this channel. Please, when you subscribe, click on the bell and click on all to understand about this platform, okay, so that any video I make about it, you'll be able to get all those videos. Please like this video as well. Thank you for watching this video. Now let me go and show you the proof of where I received the withdrawal, okay. If I come back over here, you will see this thing over here, okay. So you could see I received the 3 USDT in my account, okay. Very good. Now you can also be able to earn a lot of money if you invite more people to join this platform. So let me go back and show you how you'll be able to invite people to join this platform to be able to earn more money, okay. Come back to your account, you can click on the 3 lines at the top here, okay. Then they said referral program over here also, right. Then you can scroll up like this, and then you copy your link over here, then you share your link to your friends, okay. So anyone who wants to join, who will join through your link, you'll be able to earn a lot of profit. Now they said that level 1 is 10%, level 2 is 2%, and level 3 is what, 1%, okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please, I love you all. Please subscribe, like this video, and share. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye. If you want to register your account, when you click on the link over there, it will bring you to this place. Enter your email address, your login password, then you enter your security password. The security password is what you are going to use to withdraw. So make sure that you enter a very strong password. Or the password, the message with alphabet and numbers and symbols, okay. When you finish, you click on what, register, to what, register your account. Then you just log into your account to start operating.